how to fix this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Adobe error that says this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. It's quick and easy, so stick with me and let's get started. First, go to your Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender Firewall and from the left-hand side, click on Advanced Settings. Now over here, go to Inbound Rules, then look to the right and click on New Rule. Select Program, then hit Next. Now, browse and find the Adobe application you're having issues with like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or After Effects. These apps are usually located in your C drive, inside Program Files, and then the Adobe folder. Let's say the issue is with After Effects, just open that folder and select the main.exe file. Click Next and make sure to choose Block the Connection. Then click Next again and once more. Now give this rule a name. I'll just name it Adobe and hit Finish. After that, scroll through the list and check if there are any existing firewall rules related to Adobe. If you find any, go ahead and delete them. Now recheck and make sure only the new rule you created remains. And that's it. Following these steps should remove the error and get your Adobe app running again. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.